Today I will introduce you to the growing neural cellular automata paper by Mordvintsev and others. There are multiple ways of simulating local interaction, but here we see a cellular automaton being used. A cell state is a 5x5 grid of the cell and its neighboring cells, and the values in this grid are continuous to allow for differentiation, which is necessary for deep learning. A key to this model is that the same update rule is applied to all cells and at every update step. To model living organisms where not all cells update at the same time, only some random cells are being updated at each step. The first aim, embryogenesis, is in this case growing a full and stable target image. In the first experiment, the network was trained only with the current state and the target image. This resulted in a model that is suitable only for the number of steps that the training was run for. As you can see, all results are either unstable or even self-destructive after some extra step. In the second experiment, we could just train the model for longer, but that would increase time and memory expenditure. Instead, the authors proposed a sample pooling method, where the current state overrides a random previous state in a running set. This puts pressure not only on growth, but also on recovery from incomplete states. The second aim is growing a full and stable target image from a damaged state. Previous models lead to uncontrolled growth, again, self-destruction, or are even unresponsive to damage, like this one here, for example. For the model to learn recovering from damage, the idea is increasing the space of cell states by damaging a few samples from the pool. And with this simple idea, our aim is complete. We have regeneration from damage. While this is only a first step in morphogenesis and regeneration, it is a promising one, and it's promising for many fields and applications. We can see how one update rule can lead atomic parts to generate synchronized, focused, self-organizing behavior. We can think of applications in the medical field or swarm robotics. You imagine, for example, a swarm of drones where some run out of battery or are being blown off by the wind. You would like them to keep the same shape. I personally would like to investigate the 3D aspect of morphogenesis and regeneration and see if it's possible, and with our current technology, and imagine, for example, how games could benefit from this as well. So this paper is a beautiful example of self-organizing behavior, displaying controlled growth and regeneration with all cells using only one update rule that's trained. And I would definitely encourage you to check this paper out on Distill, where you can play around with some models and even access the code in a notebook. Thank you.